you ready to see them?
Mm-hmm.
That smile is looking beautiful. Here you go.
Oh, it's very pretty, huh? It's been so long.
And I was tired of covering my mouth and talking and holding my front teeth in with my tongue, and self-esteem was gone. That's what I was scared I was going to be stuck with dentures, but with this, can't help but smile.
You're sure welcome.
Welcome to Smile Clinic, authorized providers of the 3-on-6 treatment. The 3-on-6 is a revolutionary full mouth restoration treatment. The procedure consists of placing 6 implants into an arch of the mouth and then permanently seating 3 bridges on top of the 6 implants.
I'm happy to tell you that from start to finish, this has gone perfect. They could not be more helpful here. They brought the anesthesiologist here. I woke up 4 hours later and they were done. Wasn't in pain, nothing. I haven't had teeth like that since I hardly can remember. And now I've got $1 million smile. Who cannot be happy with that?
I had tried for several years to get dentures that actually fit properly, and I found them to be totally inadequate, constantly going back for realigns. Then I went to the concept of all-on-4. I did a lot of reading about it, researched it. That was not a good option.
My teeth were falling out, they were cracking, and me being young, I wanted to have a pretty smile again. I didn't want to be in dentures. I didn't like the full piece on the roof of your mouth, and I was scared that that's where I was headed.
I just was having such a hard time. I got dentures and I had them for a year and I just was so miserable. When I found these, my husband is, we can afford this, we can do this.
I went to my original dentist. He had a couple of options that were extremely expensive that I could not even afford. I just came here looking for options. They gave me options as far as dentures, as far as the 3-on-6. They gave me all my options, and the best option for me was definitely the 3-on-6. And the cost was 1/10 of what my original dentist quoted me for the almost the same procedure. But I think the 3-on-6 was far better than the procedure he was offering me.
With the 3-on-6, we use Neodent Aquos implants because they will keep your bone for a long amount of time. They have actually been clinically shown to stimulate bone growth with time, and that's something that'll keep that full mouth restoration, like the 3-on-6, looking good and really healthy for a long time. We've developed a way to do surgical guides here at our office. We 3D print here in-house. That's an awesome technology that we use in order to get the implant into the perfect location. Getting an implant into the perfect spot helps that implant last a lifetime, and it helps it to have the best overall look once we get the restoration, the crown, whatever it is on top of it.
We have an in-house laboratory which allows us to deliver quicker results and even same-day restoration in some cases. We have complete control over the designing process to ensure that the fit and look are flawless. So our patient can actually use their own teeth as the design for their 3-on-6 smile, or just select from one of our pre-designed models. Because we do everything in-house, we are able to keep down the cost, which makes the 3-on-6 the most affordable and advanced treatment for smile restoration.
I was very shy about ever exposing my teeth because they were in such bad shape. And this has given me essentially a new vision of myself and a willingness, as you can see right now, to actually smile.
I love them. I love them. And people are like, your teeth are really pretty. Thank you.
I'm 1,000% better new man. My confidence is back. I smile. I can eat whatever I want. I can go out to dinner. After I first got him in, my first meal was a steak, and that was the best tasting steak I've ever eaten in my life. My daughter's extremely jealous of my smile now. She says, your teeth are whiter than mine. That's not fair, Dad. And
So it's funny because we have a couple of dentists in our office, and I would just be in another room and I would hear like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. And yep, that's another 3 on 6 there. So people are loving it. It's basically a brand new chance that they can have with a brand new smile, and it changes their life.
The 3 on 6 is absolutely just fantastic, and I love every day with my new smile, and I get compliments every day on them. It's 6 posts, 3 bridges, and it changes your life completely.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God.
What do you think?
Thank you so much. It's been 8 years. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Those look awesome. How do they feel?
They feel good.
Looks really good the way it fits on the gum. I was thinking that you'd see something that kind of phony. But
Yeah,
actually looks really good.
Here, take a look at him.
Oh my gosh, I don't believe it. Those feelings so old and ugly. Those look nice.
Yeah, they look really good.
I love them.
Oh yeah.
Look good?
Yeah, I like them a lot. Wonderful.
Holy crap, look at that! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I told you were gonna make me cry.
All right.
Wow. Those are really nice.
You like the color of them?
Yeah. Wow. Those are nice. Oh, I like those. Those are good. Wow.
All right.
Oh, wow.
What do you think?
That's awesome, man.
New guy there with a new set of teeth.
Wow.
Looking really good.
Wow. That's pretty awesome.
Wow. Mira, te lo hace bien. No llores porque me vas a llorar a mí. No, es que fue mucho tiempo. Y yo deseaba un cambio. Y al verme, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mira para acá. Thank you. Ahora sí. Ahora sí va a salir y ahora sí va a ir a misa. Ahora sí.
Oh my God, I love it. Now I can smile finally.
What do you think?
Looks good. Yeah.
You like those?
Yeah. That looks so good, actually. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was totally worth the wait.
Very nice.
Do you like those?
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Perfect. Back in a big smile.
Oh, nice. Doc, thank you.
You're sure welcome. What do you think?
I think you made you changed my life. You did a fantastic job. I can smile again.
Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, you did an awesome job. Oh, they're great. I'm really, really happy.
Wonderful. I'm so glad you like them.
Yeah. Well, they feel so much better than the bulky denture.
Yeah, those are nice. It's good.
Do you like them?
Yeah, it does. I like it a lot. Can't wait to get the bottom done now.
I know.
Now let me take a look. Oh, they look great.
Let me see. Give me a big smile. Oh, wow.
That looks great.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow. Good.
This hasn't been this way since I was
Happy tears.
15 or 16.
Alright, take a look.
Holy crap.
What do you think?
That looks amazing. Wow.
You like that?
Yes, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
That is great.
Yeah, there you go. How cool is that?
Look at that. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
They're almost too perfect. You put a gap. I'm just kidding. They're absolutely gorgeous. They really are.
What do you think?
Oh man. Ooh wee.
Do you like them?
Yeah, that's nice, man. That's real nice. Oh my goodness. Ooh man. Yeah, it was worth it, man. It was worth all the time and the dentures. It was worth it.
Awesome.
Good.
Even the time for the extractions, it was. Yeah. Man, that's nice. Golly.
Those are looking real good.
Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't think I would ever have a smile. I've never.
Right.
Yeah, I've always had like teeth too big or like teeth that were growing inside of the gum line, and then so it was like never. This is crazy. This is great.
It looks great.
That's crazy. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it, man. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. Well, they're beautiful. I mean, they're gorgeous.
Yeah.
You are like an artist.
Thank
This
you.
guy's amazing.
So
I
this
haven't
kinda
smiled
goes
in
out
so
better.
long
Right.
that, I'm not used to this. So it's going to take a lot of practice because I'm so used to, just consciously not holding my mouth, not smiling. So.
Oh my god, they're so cute! They are so cute! I like them! Oh my god! They're really cute.
I'm glad you like them.
I like them. I feel it weird right now. You're right, because I'm not used to it. But the same thing as this. But I like them.
Wonderful.
I like them.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, they look so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they feel good.
I like them too.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow, they look good.
Wow. That's gonna take some getting used to seeing that smile again. Yeah, this is awesome. Wow. All right.
Oh man, those are nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice, man. Yeah, those are real nice. Yeah, waited a long time for nice teeth.
Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful. Real teeth. I have real teeth.
You have real teeth. You have real teeth.
Thank you.
Let's help you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. Thanks. Now I can smile all the time. I'll go up to everybody and go, hi!
That's
They're gonna know I have 2 teeth.